Not every faint line in a nonstick pan means dinner is suddenly dangerous. But the condition of the cooking surface still matters. Wash and dry the pan, then inspect it in bright light. A light utensil mark that does not catch a fingernail is different from a coating that is bubbling, flaking, peeling, or worn through to the metal underneath. Stop using a pan when pieces of coating are releasing, the surface is badly deformed, or the manufacturer says the damage requires replacement. High empty pan heat can age a coating much faster than gentle cooking, so preheat only as directed and keep the burner close to the size of the pan. Use wood, silicone rated for the cooking temperature, or other utensils the manufacturer allows. If you are ready to replace the pan, you do not need one material for every job. Stainless steel handles browning and pan sauces well when you control heat and use enough oil. Cast iron is useful for steady heat and searing. A newer intact nonstick pan can still be convenient for eggs and delicate foods at moderate temperature. The practical goal is not a perfect kitchen identity. It is cookware whose surface you can inspect, use within its limits, and replace when the damage is no longer cosmetic.